Welcome back to another video. This is a little tour of our house we rented out in Anna Maria. This house pretty much had it all. It's a pretty nice house. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, and it accommodated our whole family of 7. So this is the main entrance. There are 2 doors, but this is the main entrance with the little keypad. As soon as you walk in, you'll see the stairs to go upstairs, but first, we're going to check the first floor. Here you have a little desk if you need to do any work, but who does work on vacation? So if you go to your left, first thing you'll see is the kitchen. The kitchen is really big and it's pretty stocked, so it does have everything that you'll need. And then past the kitchen, you do have dryer and washer, which is a really good addition at any beach house because obviously like your beach clothes and stuff, we would throw it in the dryer. And then here you have your first downstairs bedroom and bathroom. So they're all full bathrooms. This one in this case has a full shower. Then moving along, you have your first bedroom, and this is a queen bed. And the nice thing about this bedroom in particular is that it does lead out to the little patio area. So going back out past the huge kitchen with 2 sinks. It has a regular sink and then it has like the little bar sink, so we thought that was pretty cool. And then you go into this huge living room, lots of seating here. This house definitely was made to accommodate a big family. We were 7 and we pretty much just used the 3 rooms, but if you have additional guests or family, you do have a lot of space. It's just throw like some air mattresses and stuff. Even the dining table, it has seating for 8. So it's definitely a house to accommodate a big group of people. Then this is the other bedroom downstairs. This bedroom is 2 twin beds. In the closet in this room, they had a little baby eating chair, which I thought was pretty nice on their part. And there's also a couple extra blankets. And then this is the second bathroom. This one does have a tub. The house overall was really clean, so that was nice. And in a very convenient area. The beach is literally right across the street. And then here, just a huge list of check-in and check-out procedures. I mean, people don't really do half of those things, but and then going upstairs, this is what really sold us on this house. This area right here, this little entertainment area with a pool table. This is something that you might find maybe like in a Tennessee cabin type of thing, but to find us in a beach home, it's pretty unique. So we thought that was really fun to have. We did play almost every night. And then you have that little bar area there, and it even has a little mini fridge there. And this is the bathroom upstairs. The biggest bathroom out of the 3. It does have a shower and a jacuzzi. And the decor in this bathroom was pretty unique. I mean, black tub, black toilet, definitely one of a kind. And then this is the bedroom upstairs. This is a king bed, and this is the biggest bedroom out of the 3. Very spacious. Again, if you need to throw in like an air mattress or something in here, there's definitely plenty of room. And now we are going to head upstairs to the rooftop deck. This was definitely the selling point for us. It looked so nice to chill up there, and it definitely was. We would go up there every day, watch the sunset, chill, have some drinks. So it was really nice. The only thing is these stairs, if you come here with kids or even yourself, be careful with these stairs because they are steep and like the steps are small. So definitely be careful. And as you see, there's also plenty of seating up here. There's some nice chairs and get the sea view. You pretty much have a 180 view of the water and also your neighbors. But this view gets a really nice sunset view. So the sunset just drops right there over the water and it makes for a really good viewing point. And the nice thing too is that usually there's wind here, so there's not that many mosquitoes. We're gonna head back down to the first floor and go out to the door that leads to the patio. So one of my favorite things about this patio was all the greenery and like the tropical vibes. It was really nicely decorated. There was a lot of seating as well. Very clean barbecue, actually one of the cleanest barbecues I've ever seen at a rental. And they had a little fire pit, so that was really nice. We didn't use it because it was in the midst of summer and it was really hot and we didn't want to get hotter. But if you come here maybe during fall, winter, spring, definitely a nice addition. Now here you have an outdoor shower, which this was really nice to rinse after the beach. Gave me like old Cuba vibes. This room is kind of like a storage room. So you'll find here just about everything that you'll need for the beach. So you have here beach chairs, beach umbrellas, you even have a wagon, you have some like water toys, you have fishing rods, coolers. There's also extra propane tanks, which is really nice of them. So yeah, again, everything that you'll need for a beach day, which is perfect for those people that may be traveling by plane and that can't necessarily take their own beach stuff. So really nice for that. And then this is the other door that leads out to the living room. So we obviously just got here, but so far the house looks amazing. I'm loving this little rooftop area here. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll leave it down below in the description, the direct link to the VRBO link for this specific house, and hope you guys enjoyed the little house tour.